Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss a real world interview question for automation QA engineers or SDETs. How do you automate a feature or functionality which is not fully developed yet? This is a common interview question and I will give you the sample answer in the end. So watch this video till the end. First, let's understand the problem and let's see when and how it happens in a real world scenario. So let's break it down step by step. So when this situation can happen? In agile environment, development and testing happens in parallel. So it's common to be asked to start automation while developers are still working on the feature. That doesn't mean you wait. It means you need to be smart about how you approach it. So there are few points which you should cover while answering it. First thing is start with collaboration. First, I will communicate closely with the product owner, developers and business analysts to understand the requirements, expected behavior and upcoming changes. I will try to gather as much detail as possible even if the feature is not fully developed or it's in a draft version. Second thing is use mock data, stuffs or test doubles. If the backend or service is not ready, I will use mocks or stuffs to simulate API responses or behavior. This allows me to build the automation framework and write test cases based on expected responses. So I am not blocked. Third thing, build a scalable framework early. I usually start by designing or extending the test framework to handle that feature area. This includes page objects, API clients or utility functions. That way, when the actual functionality is implemented, I will just plug in the real data and refine the test. Fourth point is use feature flags or tags to isolate unstable tests. For incomplete functionality, I will tag the related test so they can be conditionally skipped or executed from CI runs until the feature is stable. This avoids false negative and keeps the pipeline green. Focus on unit component level automation first. If the full end-to-end flow is not ready, I will focus on lower levels of automation like unit or component level test, especially if some modules are ready for early testing. Next thing is update test as the feature evolves. So once the feature is more complete, I will iteratively update the test cases and scenarios. I will also ensure traceability with user stories or tickets so it's easy to track the test coverage. So I explained you all these points and here I have a sample answer for you. You can read it and prepare your own version of answer. Okay. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like it, please press the like button and share it with your friends. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture.